Love is not just an emotion. It is a connection we learn to build.
Vertical is the new default. Your audience holds their phone upright, always. Designing for Instagram Reels and Stories means your canvas is 1080 by 1920 pixels, a 9 by 16 aspect ratio. In Photoshop, go to File, New, and set these dimensions exactly. Enable artboards and create one per slide if you are designing a story sequence. Keep critical content, faces, text, CTAs, within the central safe zone, 1080 by 1420 pixels. Anything outside that band risks being cropped by the story's UI. Use generative fill to extend landscape photography into vertical format without recropping. Export each slide via File, Export as, JPEG at maximum quality. Vertical first design is not a